In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change a photo background using Canva in just a few easy steps. Whether you're looking to freshen up your photo for a presentation or social media post, altering backgrounds can make a significant impact on your image's appeal, and worry not, this will only take about 5 minutes of your time. So let's dive right in. First, you'll want to have your desired image open in Canva. Once you've got it on your screen, simply click on the image. This action will select the image and bring up editing options on the toolbar, allowing you to make the necessary modifications. Next, look for the BG Remover tool. Note that this feature is available as part of Canva Pro, which means you'll need a subscription to use it. If you haven't upgraded yet, Canva offers a free 30-day trial of the Pro version, which you might find helpful to explore. Click on BG Remover and let Canva work its magic. In just a few seconds, it will remove the background from your photo, leaving you with a clean, transparent backdrop. With the background removed, it's time to add a new one. Go ahead and navigate to the Elements tab in Canva's side panel. Clicking on Elements will open a plethora of options and visuals you can incorporate into your design. You're looking for the perfect background to complement your image. In the Elements search bar, type in background. This will present you with various background images ranging from nature landscapes to abstract patterns. Take your time to browse through the options and find one that aligns with your vision for the image. Once you've chosen a background, click on it and it will appear in your design space. From here, select the image and then drag and place it onto your canvas. You can adjust its size or positioning to suit your needs. If you want to ensure it fits perfectly, right-click on the image to bring up additional options. Choose Set Image as Background from the menu. This will automatically place your chosen image behind your main subject, giving it a new backdrop. Make sure to preview your final product to ensure everything looks as you intended. You're able to make further tweaks if necessary, adjusting colors or sizes for the perfect finish. And there you have it, a brand new background for your photo using Canva, achieved in just a few minutes. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and that you feel empowered to explore more creative possibilities in your designs. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.